And this is the turkey. It's a big turkey.
Don't tell anybody, but it's Big Bird.
We killed Big Bird for Thanksgiving. Oh, that's sad. Anyway, yeah. So there's some stirring going on over here. I think that's the gravy, but I can't tell from back here.
Oh, you can't tell from back here. That's not a good sign.
Just from where I'm at. And then Kluski noodles, I believe. But they're not the homemade good ones that Aunt Shirley makes. And broccoli, because the young'un likes broccoli. Mashed potatoes, which are done, I think. Crescent rolls, which still need to be done. A baby daddy.
See if you can find the onions.
Back to Big Bird, who's being carved quite nicely. And type folk. And the young'un.
Mama.
Yes? Cheese.
Cheese.
I have the funniest video for you to watch when you're done.
I have an even better one for you to watch.